Welcome aboard the beautiful Kooky Dance, a 2009 Caliber 40 LRC, available now at Little Yacht Sales in Kemah, Texas. The Caliber 40 long-range cruiser is one of the most well thought out and executed cruising boat designs that you will ever find, blending uncompromised build quality, safety features, and excellent sailing characteristics with its elegant accommodations. Kooky Dance is an outstanding bluewater cruiser for long-range cruising or comfortable dockside living. This is a one-owner boat that has been meticulously cared for. The owner worked closely with Caliber to customize many areas of the boat for extra luxury and functionality. The side decks are wide and have great access from the cockpit and is easy to move around the deck. Moving forward, the clear and open foredeck gives easy access to the windlass, and there's a sizable anchor chain locker. Kooky Dance has a cockpit that is safe and secure while at anchor and sailing. At the helm, there is an easy-viewed chart plotter and instruments that are mounted in a nav pod at the helm. Behind the helm is plenty of seating and the space feels secure. Additionally, at the stern is a well-designed and robust davit system and a solar panel system along with easy access from the water. There is easy access to the engine controls and storage under the seats. The center table is easy to set up and provides plenty of room both in a closed and open position. Control lines are led back to the cockpit to cabin top mounted winches. Additional instruments are mounted above the companionway for easy view from anywhere in the cockpit. The companionway is wide and open with beautiful plexiglass hatch and doors with beautifully finished and maintained teak trim. Accessing below deck is safe and comfortable with easy entry on the wide steps. Once below, you are greeted with a warm and inviting teak interior with beautiful teak and holly floor throughout. Any cook would appreciate this large and efficient L-shaped galley. It has ample storage for food and utensils and more than enough counter space to prepare multi-course meals. The refrigerator is large and easily accessed. A custom galley cabinet over the galley has increased the overall galley storage area. In addition, there is a custom galley countertop extension. The navigation station is to port, aft of the galley, featuring a chart table with hinged lid, with additional storage, chart light, breaker panel, and nav seat with storage underneath. The large and comfortable aft cabin has plenty of storage and offers comfort and convenience with its double berth, large cedar-lined hanging locker, and private aft head entrance. The aft head is located conveniently to the cockpit. Its entrance from the aft cabin and the salon make it accessible from either area without disturbing the other occupants. The main salon is well illuminated and richly furnished antique. It takes full advantage of having tall headroom and a wide beam. The result is a living room that's perfect for entertaining guests. Both settees have storage under and behind, antique cabinets over the top. The twin-leaf dining table folds up against the bulkhead for additional space and gives you multiple options of how to have the table set up. Forward, there is a full stateroom with generous offset double berth with ample storage space and drawers below. Additionally, there are shelf and book racks over the berth and two-door large cedar-lined hanging lockers and one-door lockers with storage space. The cabin features a private, spacious head with its own separate shower that's enclosed by a plexiglass door. Together, the forward cabin and head offers luxurious livability for extended stays. The boat is powered with a Yanmar 4JH4AE diesel engine that produces 54 horsepower. The engine and engine space is clean and has been meticulously maintained. To book your appointment to view this Caliber 40 Kooky Dance, contact Little Yacht Sales.